buries it deep in there. That's good. What's going on, guys? Phil here from Phil's Craft Corner. We're in a workshop today and we're doing a bit of testing. I've got another new little tool. This is a 4-volt lithium ion screwdriver, cordless screwdriver. So instead of using something like this and constantly twisting, I think this will be a little bit quicker. The reason I thought about getting one of these was when I'm doing decorating and I need to take plug sockets and light switches and things off like that. Just screwing those machine screws back in just takes a long time and a lot of effort. So I thought I'd treat myself. I was out shopping and I picked this up. It was $14.99 and yeah, so we'll get it over to the workbench, we'll unbox it and then we'll give it a test. Got a couple of flat pack units to put together, so should be a good test for it. Alright, so let's open this box, see what's inside. It says you can charge via USB, so it'll take cable in there. 3-gear torque adjustment for various applications. Perfect for furniture assembly and jobs around the home. Twin LED lights. Reverse button for screw removal. Battery indicator and a 27-piece accessory kit. I can already see this long piece here is a paddle mixer that you get in there as well, which is kind of cool. That'll help with resin and stuff. So let's get through it. And as I've just cut through, get a 3-year warranty, which is kind of standard with the Ferrex stuff. It's pretty decent. So there we go. I've not opened this before. It's the first time I've opened it. So USB-C, which is great. A little bit of USB-C. That's your paddle mixer. And then you've got all the different accessories for Pozzies, Phillips. You've even got some squares, some Torx, some hex. Bit of everything, really. So that is a standard extension. What's this one? That's a long Phillips. So the unit itself is quite small. You got your battery power. Oh, so that's your torque settings: low, medium, high, forward, back. It seems to be pretty quick. So on the lowest torque settings, holding that, I can't stop it. So it seems to have a decent amount of torque. No information on the back there. There's no instructions book. So yeah, it's pretty basic, straightforward anyway. So you got forward and backwards torque settings. USB charger is on the bottom under a little flap so it doesn't get covered in dust. That's good. You've got a little lanyard holder there as well, so you can put it on a piece of string and have it dangling off your neck for some reason. So I'm going to open this, we're going to get everything out there, we're going to test this out, putting this together, so hopefully it all goes pretty smoothly. Charging. I knew I should have charged it. This is the indicator. This bottom one was flashing, the second one started flashing now, so you cannot use it while it's on charge. You can when it's off.
Howdy!
How do?
Oh, you cocker!
Alright. While that's charging, I'll show you how I was putting it together with these ones. It's an absolute nightmare. The worst thing to do is to put screws in with an Allen key. probably only do a couple and then get my drill out because it's horrible to do. When you get to this point, it's a bit tighter. Normally, I'd switch round to this one. Because that is very tight now. So you have to do it the even longer way and get like half a turn each time. Yeah. So just quickly taking this off charge just to show you the difference between those two and then these next two. See if we can get the rest done. You can use this like a normal screwdriver and just turn it as well. Okie dokie. Okay, this is the plug socket that's near my drill press. We're just going to try and take these screws out and then put them back in. See how well that goes, because taking these out of a screwdriver is very annoying. You can use this as a screwdriver. It's not very good. Very small them actually. I thought they'd be bigger. I've never taken these off. So that's doing it by hand with the screwdriver bit. Some torque setting 1 as well. Very quick, very easy. Yeah, so let's try putting them back in. Oh, it just fits those screws. Oh, so nice. It's torque setting 1 as well. So I stopped that before it stopped itself. I didn't want it to get too tight. Oh, this one's been a bit more of the same. Yeah, they kind of jump around a bit. There we go. That is nice and easy. Another thing that you might use this for is changing plugs. Maybe. It's another little annoying thing that can take a little while with a screwdriver. So see if we can open a plug and if we'll be able to change it. All I'm going to do is open this up, put it back together. It's off my little router. Let's see. I've still got it on torque setting 1. See if we can actually open it. Try not to get in the way. No, that kicks way too much. Let me try this way. There we go. Get a good grip of it. No, there's not a ground on this little mini router. That's interesting to know. So open the back one, nice and easy. Don't need the earth in right now. Undo these cable clamps. Nice and easy. It's on torque setting 1 still. So it's got a decent pull. That's completely out. You can take the cable out if you wanted to, but we're not going to. Let me just clip that back over. I'll tighten that back up in a sec. Can we undo this live? Yes, we can. Nice and easy. Can we tighten it up nice and easy though? Because the thing about these is, yeah, it's a straight head, so it wants to fall off. Let me undo this and see. Is that a good tight? That is a good tight connection actually. Nice. If I used the small Phillips one, which I would be able to use, I could get that even tighter, but I don't think I need to. It's just a little quality of life upgrade, isn't it? Just make things a little bit easier. Hoping you guys can actually see what I'm doing here. Put that back in. Of course it's not a universal either way around one. And then tighten this back up. There we go. So it's not really done much damage to the screw anyway, with it falling out a bit. It's good to go. Right, I've got my screw box here with various size screws in there. Range from these ones 4 25s, you got 3 40s, 3 30s, all the way up to 5 100s. So we're going to go through and see what this is going to put in. So we'll start with the smallest ones and the lowest torque setting. So you just press the screw button there to change your torque setting. That's torque setting 1. It doesn't have a magnet, which is a little bit annoying, but there we go. So torque setting 1 left us there. Let's see, torque setting 2. Right next to there. Same screw, is it? No, it's not. Same screw. I buried it flush with the wood, which is pretty good. Same screw again. Torque setting 3, see if I can bury it into the wood a bit more. Buries it deep in there, that's good. It's pretty decent. Okay, so I'm not going to bother with torque setting 1 for the rest, I'm just going to go with 2 and 3. Because as we know, torque setting 1 doesn't do anything. What do we do next? Go with a standard 450. 4mm by 50mm that is. So torque setting 2. As you can see it's lit up there. Again, flush with the surface. So 3 will definitely bury it. So I'm not going to bother. Waste of time really. Just go straight for the big one, shall we? No, actually, I'll go with a 550. So these are a bit thicker. So it'd be tougher to get in the wood. No, that's as far as that one's getting. Let's try torque 3. What? Oh, nearly. Nearly. So that's as far as torque 3. There's no point in me going 5 100 because it's not going to go all the way in. So that's quite impressive actually. I wasn't expecting to be able to put screws into straight wood with no countersink, no pre-drilling or anything like that. One thing I've not tried yet is the paddle mixer. So I've got this old tin of gloss paint here. This is one of the thickest paints I can find in the workshop. I don't know if I can get in. It's that old. There we go. There we go. As you see, this super thick paint. One thing I'm a little worried about is how loose this is in here. Is it just going to fall out? Don't know. So let's dunk it in and give it a mix, and we'll see how it goes. Again, we're on torque setting 1, so if it jams up, then I'll increase that torque setting. So there we go. just on the bottom there. That's pretty good actually. Nice and easy to mix paints now. The one thing, I don't think it spins fast enough to remove all that paint. Let me grab my impact and I'll show you. Let me leave that in there. Might make a bit of a mess with the impacts, but it's worth a shout. So the impact driver here, this is the fastest drill that I've got. Crazy speeds on this one. Not going to lock into place. The only problem with this, like, I've used it that much, but yeah. So as you can see, flicks paint off. It goes kind of everywhere. And I can also stand it like that so it can drip into the paint stuff. So I'm probably going to put this paddle mixer on the impact more than using the little mixer. But it does work, works fairly well. So yeah, let me have a tidy up and we'll summarise everything. Alright, so the Ferrex mini screwdriver is really good. I like it. It's a cool little tool. The paddle mixer, I'm not too sure about. Like I say, it's very loose on here. It won't fall out. Like it's all right, and when you mix with it, it's okay. But it doesn't spin fast enough to flick excess paint off. So you're gonna waste paint, and you're gonna have a lot to clean off the end of here. Like I said, this is probably going to be used in a normal drill or with my impact driver because it just slides into the end. It's probably going to be a lot better that way. The box of accessories and bits that come with it, pretty good, pretty basic. Most of them are Phillips, I don't know why. So like this whole bottom section apart from two are Phillips. The bigger one that you get in there, that's a Phillips. So it's a bit strange that they're all Phillips. Oh no, CD. There you go, the straight heads are straight again. I had one of them wonky, I can't have that. So yeah, no, it's pretty good. Quite happy with it. It works really well. It's great for taking out screws. It was quite impressive with going into wood. I wasn't expecting as much as it gave. I could probably put drill bits in this and drill some holes, but it's not what it's for. I've got plenty of all that. But yeah, if you want to pick one of these up yourself, middle of Aldi, $14.99, absolutely amazing little bit of kit. Is it better than stuff that's out there? I don't know. This is the only one I've tried, so time will tell how long this lasts. You get a 3-year warranty anyway, so if anything happens to it, they'll just replace it or give you a refund, so not really worried that way. Overall, really, really happy. So if you did like this video, guys, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you want, hit that subscribe button. It's completely free, helps this channel tremendously, and it makes me super happy. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.